welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I have a wig installed from Isee hair and it is 26 inches. It's the wear and go glueless wig. So if you're wondering how I achieved this look, go ahead and stay tuned. If not, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. So this is the box. This is what it says on the back. Isee hair, www.amazon.com/Isee. And it says I got a hair wear and go with baby hair, 26 inches. I've never seen this lady on the wig cap. This is a new one. And lashes. I love when companies send lashes because it's like, why would you not? It's mandatory at this point. And lately, I have not been getting eyelashes. Side-eye.
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye.
You see those beautiful curves? It don't go back too far. I would like a little bit more lace. I don't think I was paying attention to that, but okay. I really like these curls. And it feels very soft, not compared to the other one. That was so trash, I can't even explain. But this one is starting off good. I am going to put some foundation on here, so 1 second for that. So this is not foundation, but it is the e.l.f. concealer, and it's a darker shade because it's concealer, but I'm still gonna, concealer that I use for bronzer or contour. So let's see. When I put some on the first time, I want to really make sure I get in there because I don't like reapplying because I feel like it makes it cakey. So I try to get all that in there so I don't have to reapply. Well, you can't even see it. And then I'm gonna flip it over and do some right here too. But once I put it back on, I'm gonna go over the front again because I feel like right now it's not really doing it justice, but I just like to do a little bit because it feels like I'm doing something. Okay. I was gonna say, what? I can adjust this, but I can't. So I'm gonna adjust this band. Hold on. Like, one thing that I don't care for about the glueless wigs is that, damn, it's like so easy for this clip to come out of the strap. It's like irritatingly too easy. All right, so, like, this will be the death of me for real. Alright, this is how I like to put it on. Hold it like that. Take your little thing off. Put the strap way back there. So it's like the perimeter of your cap, right behind your ears. Flip it over. Put the wig back. And this is what it looks like. I feel like I get a tighter grip when I do it that way. I was even thinking about getting a wig grip because I feel like maybe that will even make it feel even more secure. But who knows? I'm gonna try this out first. So I'm gonna lift it up and then press it into the lace. Because since this is darker, I don't want to have a line of demarcation on my forehead because then that would look really weird. So lifting it up and pressing it in as I go and swipe. Okay, now bring it back forward. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to brush the curls out. See how I like it. I really like this curl pattern. Just how it is and lightly combed out, but let's see what it looks like when I do this. I like the messy curly look, but and how big it is, I really think this is suitable for me. But I always have a hard time figuring out what I'm gonna actually like style it. I'm gonna do a side part first because the side parts just be doing it for me. Try not to go so close to the edge of the lace, but I wanna go, because this is a pretty small area right here. See, it already looks better. That just smells so good. Like, that smells so good. Okay, hold on, because this is where I messed up. Honestly, I can't even tell you where the part is, and I feel like I gotta get up. Hold on. Yeah, it's alright. Hopefully, don't nobody be staring at my hair like that, you know? Because sometimes I'll be feeling self-conscious, like when I be talking to somebody and they keep looking like not at my eyes and my mouth is like they're like this. What the fuck are you looking at?
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it.
Okay, I'm trying to get the top as flat as possible. And it's somewhat getting it. Okay. Let me separate this part.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps were the facts, and they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out of save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love them good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like the sauce in the box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at.
We got it down a little bit. So let's put some concealer on it now. So because I was losing the vision, I'm not gonna lie, I saw the vision, and then when I couldn't see that part, I was losing the vision as well. So okay, with that concealer, I'm gonna use this brush. This concealer.
Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap this
So guys, this is the final result. I was debating if I should do like a sideburn right here because like, I mean, it doesn't look super bad, but like, obviously I decided not to go with this, so it is what it is. I'll just tuck it behind my ear. Just tuck it behind my ear like this. And doesn't look that bad. This is what it's looking like up close, or closer. And it came out really cute. The quality is much better from the other hair. I was kind of skeptical because it was a little too soft, but we'll see. I'm gonna give an update pretty soon, but this is the final look. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Let me know what you guys liked, didn't like. Let me know what you guys use in the comments. Anything. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.